These are the Saucony rides. I just unboxed them. I bought these from Zappos.com, and as you can see, I got the gunmetal color. I chose this color because I learned from the YouTuber and celebrity menswear stylist Ashley Weston that you want to choose black or gray for your shoes to make them versatile and stylish for the rest of your outfit. Many runners or athletes will choose crazy colors, bright oranges and lime greens, and they choose them because those are cool colors, but they're not using their style mind, and they're not using the science of color matching. And you want a color that's very versatile and doesn't clash with others. So the whole thing's gray, and these shoes are they're a great fit. I have my left one on right now, and are they the most stylish? I think the front is kind of a little bit dorky, especially from the top down, kind of like a dad shoe in that sense, but they're more for running than to look stylish, so I made do. Now the reason I chose these was for the thick sole in the back. I took a bunch of running calculator quizzes online, and I'm flat-footed, so I needed to find a shoe that was optimal for my gait, which is one that is the thickest as possible in the back. Based off my running style, that's what it comes back as. Another thing though is with these quizzes, they always give you like the latest model as a suggestion, but you don't need that. So those prices are tremendous, and that's not always the best. So I went with these, and as you can see, I have this one on, and it's more stylish than the Brooks. I tried on a few Brooks. I bought a pair of Brooks running shoes, and those and the Asics just look really god awful in terms of how aesthetically pleasing they are. They make you look really dorky, and I think the Saucony, they do a great job of keeping the aesthetic. They have that cool logo. And so, I mean, these aren't as cool as like a pair of like Air Force Ones, but their main utility is running, not to look stylish. And I think the Saucony does the best blend of both, especially when you compare them to the Brooks or the Asics, which just look really dorky, but they're great for running.